Aloha. This is Joshua Bowles with Lyric Woodwork and Snake Road Sawmill. The wood I'm going to be discussing today is fairly rare. Um, it's Cuban mahogany. And it's rare because it's such a beautiful wood. It's because of its great woodworking qualities, its stability, its beauty, its color, resistant to insects, weather. Because of that, it was hugely popular. And so where it originates from in Cuba, basically they cut most of them down and there was only a few left. And so they actually quit exporting them from anywhere in the Caribbean in the 40s. So it's going to be fairly unusual to come across one, but this was a huge tree that was growing in Kaneohe and dead standing. And we were able to work with the homeowner and get this wood. But this was a huge tree, and so we really wanted to find the best uses for it, not to squander it, and to use it wisely. And several of the things that we've made chairs where we really wanted to have kind of a delicate leg on the chair. But really, I think the ideal use for Cuban mahogany is for carving. And we've used it for woodblock printing. So one of the really special features of the Cuban mahogany is there's actually a French term for it called chatoncerie. And essentially that means that it has depth. And you can see these ripples and these waves in the wood grain, and it's really a very beautiful feature. What I've found over the years is that every tree has special purpose, and it takes a lot of experimentation to find out exactly what that purpose is. And that's really one of the main reasons for this channel and this videos is to share some of the knowledge that we've gained over the years on the Hawaiian woods and how best to use them. This is a prototype of a chair that I've made using the Cuban mahogany. And this is really an example of where the wood was integral to the design process. It's actually an ancient Greek chair, the klizmos. But you see, one of the features of it, it has these saber legs and delicate. It's kind of a feminine chair. So because of that, we were able to make these delicate legs, and it's still a very strong chair. While we're working on the chair, one of the things that we found is that it's sanded beautifully and carved beautifully as well. So it was almost like taking a bar of soap. And what that led us to is thinking about something that I've wanted to do for many years, is woodblock printing. And that is something that we will explore in the next video. And if you have a project that requires these special qualities that only Cuban mahogany has, please reach out to us, visit us here at the sawmill, and please subscribe to the channel.